Hello everyone, this is Chandan Gupta, your educator and trainer. Today I have a recipe for success. Success is like baking a cake. Unless you have just the right recipe, it is not going to work. The ingredients must be of the finest quality and in the right proportions. You can't overbake it or undercook it. Once you have the right recipe, and with practice and the occasional disaster, it becomes a lot easier. What is the difference between persistence and obstinacy? The difference is that persistence represents a strong will and obstinacy represents a strong want. You have the recipe, to use it is your choice. Now let us see the grammar which is used in the recipe. A recipe for success. When we use singular countable noun, then article a or an is followed. Is like baking a cake. Again, cake is countable noun. Unless is a conjunction and it is used in the conditional sentence. The first sentence must be in the present sentence and the second may be according to condition. It is not going to work. Going to is used when we are going to do something in short time or very soon in future. Then we use the sentence going to, like I am going to cook, I am going to die, I am going to be happy, I am going to achieve success, I am going to break the lockdown, etc. But remember, it is not used with the word go and come. The ingredients must be of the finest quality. When superlative degree is used, finest, we use article the and in the right proportions. You can't overbake it and or undercook it. Once you have the right recipe and with practice and the occasional disaster, it becomes a lot easier. What is the difference between persistence and obstinacy? Persistence means to do something continuously, and obstinacy means that you are very insistent of something. And when you are doing something with persistence, then it creates a strong will. Yes, I can do it. But obstinacy is always creating a strong want. Yes, I will not do this. You have the recipe to use it to your choice. Now I would like to tell you in Hindi also. सफलता जो है एक केक बनाने की तरह है. जब तक हम सही रेसिपी नहीं लेते हैं ये काम नहीं करेगा. द इंग्रेडिएंट्स मीन सामग्री जो इसमें चाहिए मस्ट बी द फाइनेस्ट क्वालिटी, सबसे अच्छी क्वालिटी की होनी चाहिए और सही अनुपात चाहिए. आप इस केक को ना तो ज़्यादा पका सकते हैं ना कम पका सकते हैं. और जब आप एक बार इस रेसिपी का अभ्यास कर लेते हैं, प्रैक्टिस में आ जाती है, कुछ ओकेजनल डिजास्टर आते हैं, मतलब टाइम टाइम पर कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स आएंगे. डिजास्टर मीन्स मुसीबत. तो ये फिर आसान हो जाता है. और व्हाट इज़ द डिफरेंस अब परसिस्टेंस में ऑब्स्टेंसी में फ़र्क ये होता है कि परसिस्टेंस जब आप किसी काम को लगातार धीरे धीरे अभ्यास से करते हैं तो आप में एक विल पावर पैदा होती है. लेकिन जब किसी चीज़ के लिए आप बिल्कुल ज़िद्दी हो जाते हैं, आई विल नॉट डू फ्रॉम टुमारो, तो चांस हो जाता है कि आप जो है उसे ज़्यादा नहीं करेंगे. So you have the recipe to use it to your choice. So I hope that you enjoy the video. Thank you.